Dear students of Standard 6, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to your Islam and Moral Education class. Today we'll read Chapter 3, Lesson 6. Our today's lesson is Surah An-Nas. An-Nas means the mankind. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Surah An-Nas. Surah An-Nas is the 114th and last surah of the Holy Quran. It is a short surah with only 6 ayats or verses. This surah was revealed in the city of Medina and the title of the surah in English means mankind. Say, I seek refuge in the Lord of mankind. The surah takes its name from the word men, people, or mankind, which is repeated throughout the surah. The word An-Nas has been used 5 times in this surah. Now, dear students, let us first listen to the recitation of Surah An-Nas.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس.
Now let us go through the meanings of the ayats of Surah An-Nas. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas. Say, I seek refuge in the Lord of mankind. Refuge means shelter or protection. Malikin nas, the sovereign of mankind. Ilahin nas, the God of mankind. Min sharril waswasil khannas, from the evil of the retreating whisperer. Retreating means withdrawing. Here, retreating whisperer means Satan, who has withdrawn the path of Allah. Minal jinnati wan nas, from among the jinn and mankind. Explanation. In the ayats of Surah An-Nas, there are 2 kinds of discussions. The first 3 ayats describe 3 attributes of the Almighty Allah. These 3 are Rabb, Malik, and Ilah. These mean that only Allah is the Rabb, Malik, and Ilah of mankind. None other than He possesses these 3 qualities. Man is His servant. Therefore, in all conditions, man should turn towards Allah. In this way, in the first part of the surah, shelter has been sought to Allah after a description of 3 of His qualities. In the second part of the surah, Allah's shelter has been sought from the whisperings of Satan. Satan is the express enemy of mankind, openly and in concealment. Concealment means in a hidden way or covered way. In awakened state and in slumber, he whispers evil to the mankind. It is his job to whisper evil into man's heart and lead him astray. He whispers evil into man's heart so that they may be made to forget Allah and refrain from praying to Him. Satan exists not only among jinns but also among mankind. Satan, in the form of man, also misleads others and leads them away from religion. It is impossible to stay safe from these evil ones without Allah's shelter. Therefore, this surah teaches us to seek shelter to Allah to protect us from all sorts of evil and whispers of Satan. Moral education or the teaching we get from Surah An-Nas. Almighty Allah is our sustainer. He is our Lord. All that we possess are His bounties. He is the Lord of the world. Therefore, we shall always abide by His orders and commandments. We shall be safe from the whispers of Satan because Satan induces. Induces means influence mankind to commit unfair, immoral, and obscene acts. Obscene acts means evil or immoral acts. And there is not any of the children of Adam who does not have a companion like Satan in the form of man and jinn that beautifies wicked deeds for him. That is, the Satan influences us and makes the wicked or bad things beautiful in front of us. This devil goes to any length to confuse and confound him. Confound means to put to shame. If one can stay safe from the whispers of Satan, one can be safe from immoral acts as well. The only person who is safe is he whom Allah protects. Therefore, the recitation of Surah An-Nas can help us to keep Satan and his evils away. Now, dear students, let us have a look on some words with their meanings, which will help you to understand the text more clearly. Refuge, shelter or protection. Sovereign, supreme ruler. Retreating, withdrawing. Concealment, covering or hiding. Slumber, sleep, that is in a state of sleep. Astray, away from right path. Refrain, to keep away from something. Induces, influences. Obscene, evil or immoral. Confound, to put to shame. Thank you, dear students. Allah Hafiz.